Here we go, traders. What do we have? Workday. Everybody knows the stock and they know it well. They reported earnings, but we were short Workday because they had problems in the previous quarters. So what we did, and we got May 31, and we bought the $250 put options down toward the lows, $4.48 or whatever it was here on the 250. Now, when we take a look at the WDAY, that's the symbol, Workday, you can see the big slam. It got slammed harder than getting slammed, knowing how to short. When you short and they drop like Workday, this is the put options. This is how you do it. Sign up. Let's get in the live trading room. Let's get you in the trades. So that way you are feeling very good right now. So, once again, earnings report, earnings season is winding down. Workday, they've had challenges, but listen, the stock was very, very strong for a very long time. And it was there were times you could make a lot of money on Workday going long, but the business models changed. That's the great thing about understanding not only the charts, but how this rising wedge pattern right here was going to roll over. And they pumped it going into the earnings release. They do it all the time. They pump them going into the report, and then all of a sudden, you have a big day like today. And that's the kind of way that you make a lot of money when you know that the earnings are too high and they're going to drop when they have the release as they did. And we featured it live and we're holding it up right here, right now, traders. Let's get busy. Let's don't look back. Let's get you involved in them. Let's do it now.